You getting your bots ready? Because we are going to show you how to run them automatically, even when your computer reboots. Real simple, real fast. Let's get it going. Yo. All right, well, this is going to be a real quick video because I'm going to teach you something that's powerful yet very simple. And I'm betting that a lot of you don't know it. It is what is called NSSM actually. And we're going to be doing it all here on the command line. Essentially, what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to run processes even when we first reboot. So when we reboot, NSM will load and it'll say, hey, I got to run all this other stuff too. Okay. And that stuff that needs to run is, of course, the stuff that we want to run. So real simple here. What I want you to do is you need to open up your command line terminal. Easy. But here's the key. You need to open it up as an administrator. Okay. So you're going to open it up. One way that you can add here, let me show you really quickly an easy way to make sure you're running the admin version. All right, from your desktop, just click on your window thing down here and then type CMD for command prompt. And notice you're going to pop up over here and it says run as administrator. Click that one, okay? That's the one you want. It's going to pop up, say you sure? And you can be like, yeah, I'm sure, or else I wouldn't have done it, okay? All right, so from here now, let's zoom in a bit and we will show you what to do next here. So the first thing we need to do is we need to install it, okay? Now this is actually really easy. We're going to use something that's called winget, okay? You know, like when we've used Python and we want to install like a dependency, we use pip. Okay, with Microsoft, when we want to install an actual application, not just a dependency, but we want to install something onto Windows, we can use a command that's called winget. Get it? Like Windows and get, okay? So we're just going to type winget. Make sure it's on the screen there, okay? And then we're going to type install NSSM. And what that stands for is, is the non-sucking sucking service manager. Okay, so in other words, it doesn't suck, it's good. This is the good service manager, and that's what it's named after. So we're going to type winget install NSSM, and this is where you have to be in your admin mode or else this will not work. Now notice mine is already been installed, so it says found an existing package, trying to upgrade it. Okay, no big deal. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to set it up to actually run something. So we're going to pop over to our File Explorer, and I'm going to go to where my bots are. Now notice I've got different bots around here, and I run this bot, my mom bot, by accessing this .bat file. All right, so inside of here is the commands to run my bot, and that actually looks something like this. So basically, this is my start. Okay, now how it goes right now is every time I start my computer, I need to go in there, I need to go to this thing, and I need to double click it. Okay, that's not a big deal, but sometimes machines do actually auto start on their own, right? Like something's updating, doesn't tell you, or you forget. So you can have stuff that's not that you forgot to get running, or you just don't want to go press like 18 million things every time you load your computer. So I have over there my app, okay? There it is. It's mombot light.bat. So what I'm going to do is go back to my command line, and I'm going to create a service. And I'm going to type, so I'm going to type NSSM, and I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to say, I'm just going to say NSSM install. Okay, because we're actually installing the service. And now I'm going to give it a name. So we'll call it, you know, my bot or whatever. Okay, so we just give it a name. Now watch, we go click this, and it's going to pop up this little window here. And this is where all the magic happens. So notice it says here path. Okay, so that means where's the file located. So I'm going to open this up like this. I'm going to go over to where I keep this, And then I'm going to click on, there it is, MomBot Lite. Okay. Now notice it fills it in here. It tells it where to start. Okay. If it had arguments, like, I mean, the truth is that you can use this for any program. So even if you were wanting to run your Comfy UI, you just want it to load up every time, but you've got special VRAM restrictions or whatever, you could put it in the arguments here. This would be like your dash dash. Okay, so there you go. It's got that. Now you can go over to details. You can give it a name if you want. You know, my mom bot. Give a description. This is my Discord bot. You know, you don't have. It's not necessary, but you can do this stuff. Okay. And then it's got the name. Okay, this is the most important thing. So now watch. We'll click Install Service. And if we click back over to beep, okay, then what you're going to see is that it says it installed successfully. Okay, cool, huh? Now what we can do, and again, we have to be in admin mode, but we can start this manually if we want. Right now, it's in the state where if we rebooted our machine, it will load the bot, but we can also do it manually. And we can type NSSM start my bot. And notice I used my bot because that's what we called it. Okay. So it starts it. There it goes. It completed successfully. And if we need to manually stop it, we can go NSSM stop my bot. And see, it takes a second, but then it stops. Okay. Now, when you load this thing up when you load up your new computer, you restart your computer, you're not going to see any of this. This is all going to happen in the background, but it will be starting. And you could do this for anything. Okay, anything that has a bat file or an exe, something that can be ran when the computer starts, you just do the same thing. NSS install my thing, you know, or whatever, and it's going to do the same stuff over and over. Okay, I want to show you one more thing here. What we can do is we can type just the name of the app, NSSM, and notice it's going to bring up all of the options, all the ways that you can use this. So you're welcome to go through this and figure out how to use it. All right, so very powerful, just type NSSM. But for the sake of what we're doing here really quickly, I'm going to teach you two quick things. One is NSSM, and we're going to type the word edit, and then the name of our service, my bot. Okay, now notice what it does. It pops up our window there, and then we can change stuff. So if we need to change the place where it's located, we can do it there. Look at, we could even we could edit the service down here. Well, we can't change the name, but you can click edit and then it'll actually save it. Okay, and that's how we would actually do that. Now, if we wanted to get rid of it now, so let's type NSSM and let's look through the different options. Look, they got dump, get, set. Well, there's remove, NSSM remove. So let's go do that. NSSM remove my bot. Okay, and it's going to ask us, do you want to remove the server? We'll say yes. Successfully, and now it's gone and will not load when the computer reboots. Okay, and there you have it. Now you're ready to go ahead and make your bots and get them running. You should go back and watch the video we just released before this one that shows you how to actually make your first bot. Okay, and this is the beginning. We're getting into not just creating images, not just creating lip sync avatars, but we're getting to the point where we're going to create our person. We're going to make them talk or do whatever, and we're going to actually give it a way to interact with it as well in real time. That's where we're moving. This is the key step. Now, if you want to go back and watch the other video, okay, the practice codes that's in the comments center, but again, the practice codes here, all you got to do is go to getgoingfast.pro, click here where it says codes, and then you can just type GGF with a dash, GGF with a dash bot, okay? And what that's going to do is it's actually going to bring up a download, and then you can download the practice bots, okay? I think we have a a simple ping bot. You just say ping, it says pong. We have another one that's a monster roll. You just roll in one die roll against the other. And then we have a full on craps like poker thing just to get you started. And that's how you can get that going. In the meanwhile, I think we'll end it up there. If this was helpful, thanks for liking and subscribing and telling other people about it. You're always welcome. You hit the special thanks button as well. And that just gives like a little pat on the back saying, hey, thanks, man. I appreciate you. And of course, you can also head over to getgoingfast.pro where you can join as a member and you get a little bit of support along the way too, and you get all this stuff. We'll get it all added in there really easy. So, all right, with that, we're going to wish you the very best. Have a happy, it's Easter weekend. I hope you have a good Friday and enjoy family and friends on Sunday. And we will catch up with you on the other side. Yo.